everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn German with Yogeeta. So in today's video we are going to learn Namen im Genitiv. Namen im Genitiv. So before explaining the topic, I would like to write some sentences here. Das ist Handy Phone Tina. Das ist Handy Phone Tina. So basically this is mobile phone or mobile of Tina. Mobile phone or mobile of Tina. One more example. Das ist Auto von Tom. Das ist Auto von Tom. So this is car of Tom. Car of Tom. So here we can see in German language we have used phone. Phone. Auto von Tom. Handy von Tina. So phone ist meine Dativ preposition. Dativ preposition. And in English we have written car of Tom. Car of Tom, mobile of Tina. Mobile of Tina. But in English language we can also write Tina's mobile. Tina's mobile. Tina's mobile. Or we can write Tom's car. Tom's car. So Tina's mobile, Tom's car with the apostrophe s. Both are same as mobile of Tina, car of Tom. So today we are learning how to change this preposition phone, this dative preposition phone in genitive. So have a look here. So again I am taking the same example. Das ist Handy Phone Tina. Das ist Handy Phone Tina. So in English we put a apostrophe s. So here we also use s, but no apostrophe s, only s. Das ist Tina's. Das ist Tina's Handy. Das ist Tina's Handy. This means das ist Handy von Tina. Das ist Tina's Handy. So both are same. Das ist Auto von Tom. Das ist Auto von Tom. Das ist Toms Auto. Das ist Toms Auto. So similarly, das sind Eltern von Maria. Das sind Eltern von Maria. Das sind Marias Eltern. So, das ist Handy von Tina. This is the mobile of Tina. Das ist Tina's Handy. This is Tina's Handy, mobile of Tina. Das ist Auto von Tom. Das ist Tom's Auto. So, both are same. This is the car of Tom. This is Tom's car. Das sind Eltern von Maria. Das sind Maria's Eltern. So they are parents of Maria. They are Maria's parents. So here in the second sentence we remove phone. We remove the preposition phone and instead of preposition phone we put s. We put s at the end of the name. Tom's, Maria's, Tina's. But yes, we have also exceptions of Namen. So the names ending with S, X, T-set, set. S, X, T-set, set. The names ending with these alphabet, we don't put direct S. We don't put direct S. So here we are going to see some examples with exceptional cases. Exceptional cases. For example, Nummer 1. Markus' Wohnung ist in der Poststraße. Markus' Wohnung ist in der Poststraße. So Markus, the name is ending with S. Markus. Markus. So here we have already S. So what we do? We put here and apostrophe. Apostrophe. Markus. Markus. So we don't put here extra S. We put here only a apostrophe. Markus' Wohnung ist in der Poststraße. In Frau Schmidts Wohnung ist die Heizung kaputt. In Frau Schmidts Wohnung ist die Heizung kaputt. So again, am Ende T-set. T-set. So apostrophe. Herr Kurs Urlaub war ein Aktivurlaub. Herr Kurs Urlaub war ein Aktivurlaub. So again, Kurs with ending set. So we put here apostrophe. We don't need to put extra S, only apostrophe. Max' Freundin ist sehr nett. Max' Freundin ist sehr nett. So again, apostrophe. Moritz' Party war super. Moritz' Party war super. So Moritz' Party. So we have seen the name ending with S, set, T-set, X. S, set, T-set, X. So we don't need to put extra S. We only put one apostrophe. So now we are going to see the question for these answers. So normally we ask whose mobile is this? Whose bag is this? Then we answer, this is the bag of Tina. This is the mobile of Tom. So we are going to see the question here. Wessen Handy ist das? Wessen Handy ist das? Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? Das ist Tinas Handy. Das ist Tinas Handy. Or I can also say das ist Max' Handy. Das ist Max' Handy. One more example. Wessen Auto ist das? Wessen Auto ist das? Whose car is this? So the answer is das ist Frau Schmidts Auto. Das ist Frau Schmidts Auto. Or das ist Toms Auto. Tom's Auto. So great. Now you can also replace the dative preposition phone with genitive. So if this topic is clear to you, So try to write some sentences in comment section below. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Auf Wiedersehen.